Friends, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will tell you and show you how you can easily and quickly change the time on your iPhone. Don't forget, friends, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments. Also put likes under this video. So let us get down to our topic with you. If you need to change the time on your iPhone for some reason, it is actually very easy to do. Open up the settings and then scroll down a little bit. And you'll need to select the option called General. Then scroll down a little bit further and select Date and Time. First, you will need to choose either 12-hour or 24-hour time zone. If you have a 24-hour time zone, then this option should remain enabled. If you have a 12-hour time zone, then disable this option. You will also need to disable time automation by clicking on this option. When you disable it, you will see that you have additional options. The first one is the time zone, and you can customize it for yourself. For example, by simply writing a city. So you automatically change the time zone will change the time as well. You can also do it manually. To do this, you need to click on the time on the right side. You will see a dial like this. You can select the date you want, and then you can click on the time and you can select the time you want. So you're changing it. And it will be visible at the top on the left side where you have the time showing. The only thing you will need to do is click back so that all the changes are saved. That's the quick and easy method, folks. You can easily change the time on any iPhone. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.